more news. 4 more terror operatives have been arrested by the NIA from South, North and Central Kashmir. Total 8 terror operatives have been arrested by the agency in the past 24 hours. And 2005 Delhi serial blast mastermind Tariq Ahmad Dar has also been arrested during the crackdown on terror groups in the valley. He was providing financial help and hatching conspiracy for the Lashkar-e-Toiba, also involved in conspiring with Pakistan-based terror commanders to radicalize local youth to join terror ranks and also give them arms and ammunition training. Let me go across to my colleague Gursimran, who's joining us with more details. Gursimran, the NIA is also, we are being told, seized electronic devices, incriminating jihadi documents, records of suspicious financial transactions from his place. What more can you share with us?
NIA has arrested the mastermind of 2005 Delhi serial blast mastermind Tariq Ahmad Dar from Srinagar. It was during the raids that were conducted by agency with respect to the case that has been registered by the National Investigation Agency in the recent days that relates to an umbrella FIR that has been registered that relates to the terror conspiracy that has been hashed by the terror proxies in Jammu and Kashmir as well as sitting across. And Tariq Ahmad Dar, who has been inside the jail for almost more than a decade in 2005 serial blast case that took place in Paharganj, Govindpuri and Sarojini Nagar area of New Delhi, in which more than 60 people lost their life and over 200 were injured. He was when out of bail in 2017 when he completed his 10 years jail. He went to Kashmir Valley. He once again started financing the terror outfit Lashkar-e-Toiba as well as recruiting youth for terror activities. And National Investigation Agency sources that have confirmed to Republic that Tariq Ahmad Dar has been arrested by NIA and now he is being grilled by NIA in national capital. This arrest came after there were inputs with the NIA that he was actively involved in financing TRF, the Resistance Front, which is an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and now he is being grilled by NIA. NIA sources are telling Republic that these raids will continue. So far 9 arrests have been made, 5 arrests have been made today only, 4 were made yesterday, and Tariq was one of them who was arrested by NIA and now being grilled. So this is a big win for NIA because 2005 Delhi serial blast mastermind now again arrested by NIA as he was financing and harboring terrorists for Lashkar-e-Toiba and even radicalizing youth to join these terror ranks and was radicalizing them to take terror training from the Pakistan so that they can resort to these bloodbath of the Pakistani proxies by the directions of them in Kashmir Valley. Yes.
Oh yes, because it was earlier that he was in jail for more than a decade in case of blast. Remember, like you're pointing out, at Paharganj, Govindpuri and Sarojini Nagar market in the national capital in 2005. In all, 8 arrests that have been made by the agency just in the past 24 hours. Gursimran, thank you for joining us with those details.